Good evening and welcome to the Casual Chef's Kitchen. Enjoy this presentation. This dish comes from Korea. Spicy Korean chicken bulgogi. Morning mise en place. Just after prep. Evening mise en place in order of appearance. All the fixins for the marinade. Marinade coming together. The chicken waiting for the marinade. Here's the chicken in the marinade, ready to go in the cold box. It goes for a couple hours. Heating the oil in a saute pan. Add the chicken and cook between 5 and 7 minutes. The rice is ready. And the final presentation. Thank you for joining me here at the Casual Chef's Kitchen. Have fun cooking.